a video from me. Today I'm playing Terminator Genisys Future War. And I picked, you can either pick from Skynet or the Resistance. So, robot or alien? Robot or humans? Of course I pick human. Resistance. Robot. Robot. Can't say it that easily. What's this? It's been a while since I played. Like, completely. Can I click on my mail? Yes, I can. Good. That's all I was trying to do. Level 6. Claimed. Guilty pussy build. Lag in progress. Lag in progress. Lag in progress. And yeah, I'm already in a clan. This is fun. Oh yeah, I need to boost. Oh, Jesus, cat. And I'm sorry that this has to be straight up, it's stupid. Oh, Vault? I forgot I had some of these things. Oh yeah, the conveyor. Infantry rank 2, level 1. Okay. Where's my research? And assembly line. Armor. There's my research center. I'm gonna upgrade it. Research. Military. Where's my infantry? Boosting. 2 hours? God damn. Last night, Jesus. I'll get back to that in a while. What's this? This part, so I'm able to upgrade while things are going like that. Command. Iron exchanger level 2. That's the thing right inside of. Oh, that's better. Oh yeah, I forgot I had things there. Actually, I never knew what it is. I never realized it did. I have so many things to collect. I don't know how I put them. Refiner level 1. Okay, what? Recycler level 1? Okay, I don't know what I'm getting. Energist level 1? What the hell? I'm level 7! What time is it? It's muffin time! It's muffin time! Somebody carry me, yeah! It's muffin time! I can't change my name. As you can see, it's not Gamer 078. I wasn't able to change my name somehow. I'm not going after any of those. Wait, I'm Skynet. Are there any groups of resistance here? Where the hell am I? There I am. I'm the one with the fire in its skull. Well, I want resources, but I don't want them to succeed. Biggest what level is my core? Only level 3, what the hell? What's a bunker? for no reason. I just oh God. What is this? Aha! Yay! Rain bakes. Nope, I don't. You know, I don't want to change my faction at all. What is ammo? Oh. Why? Oh shit. Sorry. I didn't say that. I accidentally clicked something. I'm level 8! Yeah! I need bunker level 4 now. Assembly line level 4. Recycler level 4. And an assembly line. Boost. Where's the assembly line? Oh. That's what it's under. Let me the less or less. I didn't realize that. Hold on, my it's on recording from just like, okay, keep clicking. What are these things? Wait, that's the bunker? Okay. Well, that's new. Tim. But don't tell me what I got. Tell me what I got. I don't care. Can I move my this? When it does view, that means what's this? I can't wait till it's gone. I hate those special offer things. They're stupid. They're practicing land or something. Okay, well, there's something. I should have a shite ton of already. Mail. So I can still click on the mail. Any of those chips suck. No, don't use erasers. Those things kinda suck. Prepare. Well, that was boss. Oh god. So I can just look at the troops that I'm getting. Oh, so they're just like the normal they're just like the first strips, but with different names. So the comet's gonna look like the vulture, pretty much, I bet you. Just a bit different. Execution is gonna look like the typhoon. Yep. Oh, no. The vulture is gonna look like. No. Oh, it was the blaze that looks like the comet. So the vulture is going to look like the Exophanite. All of my troops done? Wait, all of my troops done already? They are, though. Quick. Oh, I know why it has ammo. It's what they shoot. It's how they get shoot. Oh, that's cool. We're down on the ground. What would it look like if we were talking? It would be Skynet. Would it look like that still? Troop type. C. Quest Master level 1. Let me get my hand into your heart. Let me get my hand into your heart. Let me get my hand into your heart. When you look out of place, 'cause baby that's okay. Right. outer space. Just like Terminator to your That's cool. This one's cool. And the way it's what is it? Like beetle walker? I believe that's what you call these. Oh, I need to end this video soon. It's this way. Okay. Well, gamers. Well, I'm ending the video here, so see you gamers in the next video.